So this far we've removed the cab and the load box, and today our plan is to remove the engine as well as the transmission and the differentials and suspension.
We've removed the engine from the transmission, and what a mission, because all the bolts rusted, it's all over the show. We've taken it out, we have to force it out because the pilot shaft was rusted inside the clutch plate. So it's out now, and we're gonna remove now the transmission, the prop shaft, and then we're gonna strip the chassis down.
With the teardown nearing completion, we've reached the halfway mark in our restoration project. However, new challenges are presenting themselves along the way. With engine disassembly and cab teardown still to be completed, will the team be able to deliver in time? Tune in next week as we continue the journey of restoring a living legend. In the next episode.
Well, what a pleasure driving this bakkie. Feels like a real bakkie, like an Isuzu should feel. It's far removed from our old 2000 to 80 kb.